Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey boys, welcome back to Shadow Band Brand. This is where the channel where Shadow B-A-N-D. I don't know if you can see it. Thumbs up and comments really help. I've seen it work in the algorithm before, that it kind of brings it back, so that'd be dope. Also didn't help that I've been gone forever. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Yo, I got rid of some sort of, it might have been strep, bro. It was some sort of flu. I'm like 80% right now, but I've been being in bed trying to like get ready for Christmas so I don't get the old ones all dead, you know? Like I don't K-I-L-L, my old family members that are like, might not be able to handle a cold like that or strep threat. Dark, bro. Anyway, thumbs up, comments appreciated. Let's go. Yeah, this is cool. This is a fun one, also a little scary, I think. Alright, bro, so to come back, this actually came at a real good point. We're gonna get straight into it because I'm very curious. We got a package right here. I'll show it to you right now. Boom. Now, I didn't know that I still had like a not a safety deposit box. What are those called? Where you guys like would send me like fan mail back in the day, although I hate that word. It's more like supporter mail. Because I don't need fans, bro. I already got enough of them. And it's the woman in my life, that's for sure. All of them. 14. To be exact. No, anyway, you guys would send me pictures, and all of a sudden people started to send me items, and I thought I had closed it down. Apparently not. I've been paying for it for these months or however long. I got one in, and it's Christmas time almost. Let's unbox a mystery box from who knows who. There's literally no return address or name on it. I guess I could probably call the post office, but so I have no idea who to shout out. Maybe there's a card in there that says your name. I don't know, bro. Yeah, boys, let's just get into it. Little Christmas mystery unboxing. These are always a little scary. Hold on. I went upstairs to grab the fork to open this because knives are dirty. Like all of them, bro. Everyone in the drawer, like it has like old pizza pop on it. No, I'm just kidding. They're all in the dishwasher. Wouldn't that be gross? Whenever you come over to my house, bro, it's just dirty plates and used knives. That'd be such a goof for Christmas. We're hosting the family for Christmas. Just give everyone a dirty plate, like before the food, but then have clean ones upstairs. That might be funny. Anyway, box engaged. You guys let me know down below what's in it. These are always scary because you guys send me some weird stuff. There's been a lot of SHIT, human and dog, that we have unboxed from you guys. So when I say this is always terrifying, especially when it doesn't have a return address, I mean it. Thumbs up, comment, boys. Glad to be back. Little, god damn! A little less energy, my throat hurts a little bit more after screaming. Boys, there's a box inside a box, no card yet. Man, maybe it's jewelry, hopefully, because I have no title for this video. I'll probably just call it scary, because I'm scared still. Although this might be fart bombs. I asked you guys if you could send them to me, so I could just cause havoc, to be honest. And then I found out I could just buy them on Amazon. I thought you had to go to a store to buy them, but no, it's just online. Anyway, let's get into this. Thank you for whoever sent it, first off. That's really dope of you. Yeah, okay. I don't know what else to say, because we just have no basis. I'm gonna shut this off before it turns off. The battery's dying. We're just gonna go, bro. Fart bomb, probably not. Would smell it by now. Yo, we just have like a little cart. Couldn't afford an envelope, eh, buddy? You could afford 2 boxes, but not. This is a makeshift envelope, I would say. Hopefully there's money in it. Or maybe it's just a Christmas card. I didn't ask them when this showed up. This is sketchier. I feel like it might be a card with a little gift card, hopefully, you know? To Best Buy or something. Yeah, I could buy a new. I'm already thinking about what I'm gonna buy with potential money in here, boys. Stop me. All right, let's go. It was just a piece of paper. The devil. It's a weird card. Oh, there's 2. Ah! What the f? Yo, these are one of those Terry's cards, bro. Ah! I don't know what to do with it. Y'all can't F with me like that. Death and devil. These are the... Bro, I believe in Sasquatch. Aliens used to be... You can't play with me like that, bro. I really believe in demons and ghosts. Bro, I gotta, oh. What do I do with it? You can't throw it out, I don't think. What the f? Bro, I'm actually scared. I got a Ouija board upstairs. I snapped in half because I freaked out. We were playing Ouija one day. And I swear, nobody was acting with anyone in the room. People were crying, bro. So I snapped it because I was freaking out. And then I researched, you can't throw it out. So I just have a... Snap Ouija. I've seen videos on Death and Devil. This is awful. That's a bad prank. Did somebody just cast a spell on me? Bro, no, I'm actually freaking out right now, bro. I really believe in this stuff too much, bro. Oh, man. What if somebody actually just did this on me and then sent me the results because you have a death? Oh, God. What do these mean? Dude. and I got spit on it or sneeze or something, which is bad. That's just, yeah, I'm actually just gonna search what these mean right now. Death and Devil. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Death tarot card meaning. Unlikely that this card actually represents a physical death. Okay, so that's sick. Typically, it implies an end, possibly of a relationship, interest, and bro, I just got married, bro. I'm not trying to lose this house, bro. And therefore implies an increased sense of self-awareness. What does that mean? Do these work? I don't know what to do. Do you hang them up somewhere for respect so that doesn't happen? Do you throw them in the garbage, which would disrespect the freaking devil himself? Next meaning. What's the devil one mean? Devil, it represents being seduced by the material world and physical pleasures. Okay. I just did buy a new basement. That doesn't sound too bad. Also, I do material things online. Damn, these are accurate, bro. Or this one is at least. So that means the death one. Oh my god, I'm getting divorced. And I'm gonna lose the house. Also living in fear, domination, and bondage. Bondage? What? Being caged by an over... Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna put those away safe. Can you guys let me know if you guys do? I'm gonna hit up, my mom knows somebody who does these. I'm not gonna ask Google, because Google's gonna tell me I have cancer. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out what to do with these. Appreciate you guys for watching. I will hit some people up and let you guys know. I don't know how. I've been doing, shorts lately. Maybe I'll do a little update on the YouTube short. If you guys have been missing those, I've been trying to at least upload some of those while I've been sick. Appreciate you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, huh?